If the angle between the vectors a vector and b vector is theta, the value of the product of b vector cross a vector dot a vector will be equal to. Now first of all, let me assume that there is a certain plane. Let me call this as any given plane. Okay, let this be any given plane. Let this be a vector and let this be b vector. Okay, both these vectors are in a certain plane. Okay, so over here I can say that since both the vectors are in a certain plane, a cross b, okay, take any vector for the time being, take any vector for the time being, both of them will lie in the same plane. So a vector cross b vector will be perpendicular to both of them. Okay, it will be perpendicular to this plane. So if I say that this is a certain x and this is certain y plane, okay, in any given plane, okay, for the timing I am taking it as x and y, if the x cross y, that is a cross b, will be perpendicular to this plane. Now so b cross a or a cross b will be perpendicular to this plane. Okay, so now over here, since a cross b or b cross a is perpendicular to this plane, the dot product with, now this is perpendicular, so the angle over here will be equal to theta over here will be 90 degree with both the b vector as well as a vector. The b cross a will make an angle of 90 degree with both a as well as b vector. Okay, so since the angle is 90 degree with both a and the b vector over here, the dot product with the a will give me 0, because over here the dot product of a cross b, or I can say that b cross a dot a will be equal to over here the magnitude of this part into magnitude of this part into magnitude of a into cos theta, and cos 90, since it is equal to 0, this will give me the answer as 0. So the correct answer over here is option number D.